That portion was brought to you by Stress Tabs. Kahit stressed, maganda ang gising dahil parating fresh and focused. This time check is brought to you by iBerry. This time check is brought to you by Cobra Energy Drink. Pag meron ka nito, walang talo.
Finding a new favorite song feels good. Almost as good as finding what you want in over 10,000 stores with Salmon Product Loan. Did we mention that you can afford better items and even pay nothing upfront? So maybe it's time for a new aircon or something else. Download the app now. Salmon feels good.
Terms and conditions apply. Salmon Product Loan is a product offered by Salmon Finance Incorporated via lending platform Salmon Finance, a licensed financing company regulated by the SEC with CA number 1241 and CR number CS 201916698.
Ahoy! Kidney care time!
Ako si Tere Robles, 59 sa una. Lisod gyud kaayo akong kahimtang na ay problema ang akong kidney unya taas pirmi akong blood pressure. Usahay mahadlok ko kay basin unsa na ang mahitabo sa akong lawas. Maayo gani kay adunay ni rekomenda sa kidney care. Nag-inom ko adlaw-adlaw ug ang akong blood pressure normal na gyud. Mas gana akong pamati ug mas kusog na ko mulihok. Salamat kaayo sa kidney care. Nakatabang gyud sa akong kidney.
Ang Kidney Care ay mabibili sa Mercury Drug Store at mga suking butika.
Ang Kidney Care hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Likayi ang dialysis o ubang problema sa kidney. Mag-Kidney Care.
Pila-pilang win! San Miguel Pilang win! Ilang beers lang may coupon na kasali. Pila-pilang win! San Miguel Pilang win! Ipil mo ang coupon, pwedeng may Gcash maka. Pila-pilang win! San Miguel Pilang win! Libo-libo ang may chance manalo ng more than 50 million pesos worth of Gcash kapag bumili ng San Miguel Beer products. Join na! San Miguel Peel and Win promo. Get a chance to win Gcash with every purchase of 6 bottles or 2 1-liter bottles of any participating San Miguel Beer products. Visit our Facebook page for more details. Promo runs from August 1 to December 31, 2026 for DOH FDA CFRR permit number 0264 series of 2026. Drink responsibly.
It's Mele Francisco for Baygon. Pag may Baba Baygon, subok sa bisa. Basta Baba Baygon, tanggal peste sa bahay. Basta Baba Baygon, may tiwala ako. Baygon's my choice. Baygon's my choice. Baygon's my choice.
Baygon, 100% knockdown.
Oy, concerned ako. Maong paminaw lagi. Magsige ganig balik ang sakit ug hapdos sa tiyan. Basig sayop na imong tambal. Basig hyperacidity na. Di pwede stomach pain meds ra ang tumaron. Pag Kremel S tablet, the best brand for hyperacidity. Based on Urban Areas Nationwide Category Tracking Study by PSRC, September 2024 to August 2025. Kremel S knows best. Unilab yan. Aluminum hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, simeticone is the generic name of Kremel S. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Goodbye to me, Masya. Hello, Bright Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan. Bright Bar Blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dubit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye to me, Masya. Hello, Bright Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Ang kainit sa hilana, dapat di napadugayon. Dito ka sa maayo magpaayo. Biogesic, masaligan, maong most trusted fever medicine brand sa milyon-milyon ka Pilipino. Kamaayo magpaayo sa Biogesic. Amping!
Unilab quality yan.
Paracetamol is the generic name of Biogesic. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
That portion was brought to you by Maggie Magic Sarap. All you want, nasa all-in-one Maggie Magic Sarap. This time check is brought to you by Biogenic. Armor up for adventure with Biogenic. This time check is brought to you by Silka Green Soap. Kitang-kita ang kutis Silka in as early as 7 days.
Sunod-sunod na OT. Kapit lang.
Kaya ko pa.
Tuloy-tuloy na biyahe. Laban lang.
Kaya ko pa.
Patong-patong na projects. Sige lang. Kaya ko pa. Ang liwanag na to, nasa loob mo. Pasiklabin with Cobra Energy Drink. May Immuniplus, B vitamins, taurine, ginseng at inositol. Kakayanin ang pagsubok sa tulong ng Cobra Energy Drink. Para sa amin, pag meron ka nito, wala kang talo.
Ang ginainom nga Cobra Energy Drink ni Daniel Padilla, 18 pesos SRP lang. Mabakal sa inyo suki nga tindahan.
Hi, I'm Sherwin Manuel, an online teacher and consultant from Davao City. Ang pagiging creative at competitive, yan ang baon ko lagi sa aking trabaho. Kailangan maging confident ako, especially in giving consultation to my client. Ganon din sa food supplement ko. Confident din ako sa MX3 capsule kasi ito ay verified with alpha, beta at gamma mangosteen kasabay ng masustansyang pagkain at ehersisyo. MX3 capsule, tunay, natural at original. Dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3 Capsule helps avoid pain discomfort. Iwas-iwas sa sakit.
Ang Cebu Metropolitan Catholic Mass Media Awards. Best Radio Commentator, Best Newspaper Columnist, and Best Public Affairs Anchor. Attorney Rufil Fernandez Banyok sa Straight to the